Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel Zoho Books subscription. Alright, let's begin. First, go to zoho.com/books and sign in to your Zoho account. Once you are logged in, you may land on a different page, but the steps remain the same. Look at the top right corner and click on the Settings icon to access your account settings. Inside the Settings menu, get to Organization, then click on Manage Subscription. Here, you will see complete details of your current Zoho Books plan. Next, click on Change Plan in the top right corner of the page. On the next screen, your active plan will appear at the top. Scroll down to find the Free Plan option. There will be a Cancel Subscription button under it. Click on it to proceed. Zoho will ask you to choose a reason for canceling your subscription. Select a reason and confirm by clicking Cancel Subscription again. After completing these steps, your paid plan will be canceled and your account will be downgraded successfully. So that's basically how you can cancel Zoho Books subscription. That's it for this video. Thanks.